Hey guys, so this is your reading comprehension assignment for today. Remember this reading has to do with the author's purpose. So why is the author doing things in this writing? Okay, so just think about that while you're listening and following along to the reading. So when lightning strikes. What was Benjamin Franklin thinking when he flew a kite in a thunderstorm? Didn't he realize that his kite would attract a lightning bolt capable of killing him? The Philadelphia inventor was actually very lucky. A bolt of lightning heats the surrounding air to a temperature that is 5 times the heat on the surface of the sun. Yet, the charge is so brief that people can sometimes survive a stroke of lightning. The bolt that hit Franklin's kite was weak. It struck a pointed wire attached to the kite, traveled down the kite string, and ignited a spark at the key that was fastened to the end of the string. With this experiment, Franklin proved that lightning is actually electricity. Later in life, Franklin invented the lightning rod, a device that sends lightning's electricity from a rod to a cable in the ground. Lightning rods are still used today and are especially handy in places like Florida, where 90 lightning producing storms hit per year. By contrast, the West Coast receives an average of only 3 thunderstorms per year. When a thunderstorm hits, don't be outdoors flying a kite. In fact, it's dangerous to be outdoors at all. The best place to be is inside a building. When lightning strikes a house, it travels through the wires inside the house and then goes into the ground. People in the house are usually protected. People in cars are also fairly safe. If lightning strikes a vehicle, the charge usually travels through the metal frame and bypassing the people inside. If you get caught outdoors, stay away from trees. Lightning will strike the tallest object. It's better to crouch in a ditch or a low spot in the land. Stay away from tents, unwired buildings such as old farms, and shallow caves. Bodies of water should also be avoided during a thunderstorm. Lightning literally bombards the earth. There are more than 100 lightning strikes every second. In the United States, more people are killed by lightning than by tornadoes or hurricanes. However, nearly twice as many people who are struck by lightning survive than die. Some people have survived multiple lightning strikes, such as a Virginia park ranger, Roy C. Sullivan. He has been struck by lightning 7 times. So, is lightning nothing but menacing? Lightning plays an important part in the balance of nature. It returns negative energy to the earth and provides nitrogen compounds that are important for plants. There is no reason to panic over lightning. The chances of being killed by a lightning strike are less than 1 in 2.5 million. So the next time there's a thunderstorm, put away your kite, find a safe place, and enjoy one of the nature's most dramatic shows. All right, so that was your reading. After your reading, you're going to take a short comprehension. So if we go back to here, we're going to look at the assessment, and you're going to answer the questions. So they're going to be short answer questions, so make sure that you answer them in full sentences, full complete sentences, capital period at the end, okay? So number 1, describe what When Lightning Strikes is about. So what is the article about, or what is the writing about? Remember, you can pause this video at any time to write down some notes and then go back into the quiz and take it again. Next question. For what audience did the author write this selection? So what audience do you think the author decided to write this for? Why did he write it? What was it for? Or who was it for? Next question. Why did you think the author started the article with a reference to Benjamin Franklin? What was the point in putting Benjamin Franklin in the beginning of the article? Does the author present both negative and positive aspects of lightning? Give examples. So give an example of a negative aspect of lightning and give a positive example as well. So you should have at least 2 sentences in that answer. Next question. Why does the author end the article with a reference to a kite? Why is there kite in the end of the writing? Think about the whole writing as a whole. What happened in the beginning, what happened in the middle, what happened at the end, and why is the kite an important part of the ending? What was the author's purpose in presenting safety tips concerning thunderstorms? What do you think the purpose of having that safety tips in the writing was? Next question. What does the author say are your chances of being killed by lightning? Look exactly right back into that writing and give me what the chances are that you'll get hit by lightning. And then the last one. Is the author's purpose in writing the selection to entertain, to inform, or to persuade? So entertain, to make somebody happy, to make somebody laugh. To inform, to give them some information, some facts, some details. Or is it to persuade, to get the person to do something, to get the person to agree on something, right? Remember, we've been talking about persuasive pieces for a while now, so you should know what a persuasive writing piece should sound like. All right, so answer all those questions in complete sentences. Make sure you push the turn in button so that way I get those answers, and we will see you again tomorrow. Have a great day.